Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are not getting 4K or Ultra HD and your video looks like regular HD, it usually means there is a device connection or settings limitation blocking 4K playback. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix 4K not working on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, 4K requires specific conditions to work. All components must support Ultra HD. Okay, missing one requirement means no 4K. Okay, so focus on device connection and settings. So by that, first thing you have to do, check your internet speed. Okay, so run a speed test. Okay, ensure at least it's 15 to 25 megabytes per second, because 4K needs high bandwidth. Okay, confirm your device supports 4K. So smart TV, streaming device or console must support Ultra HD. Not all devices can play 4K. Okay, use the correct HDMI setup. So this is for TV users. Okay, use the high-speed HDMI like HDMI 2.0 or 2.0 or higher. Okay, so plug into a 4K compatible HDMI port. It's required for Ultra HD output. Okay, enable UHD settings on your TV, like go to TV settings, enable HDMI UHD or enhanced format. It allows 4K signal. Okay, you can check Prime Video quality settings. So open Prime Video quality settings like this. Okay, go to streaming and download and look for streaming quality, and you can choose from here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.